Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Get ready to take your online business to the next level with a game-changing training from Anthony Morrison. He's a true industry expert with millions of followers and a track record of success. Let's dive into the details. Anthony will teach you why most people fail at organic traffic on YouTube and how to avoid those mistakes. Gain an advantage over your competitors. He'll also reveal his secret sauce for getting YouTube to show your videos to others for free. Imagine the exposure and reach you can achieve with this information. But wait, there's more. Anthony will break down his 5-step formula for creating, posting, and scaling videos on YouTube. Perfect for beginners. The best part? Anthony will share his exact strategy for turning traffic into revenue. Say goodbye to wasted views and hello to leads and sales. Excited yet? This training is a must-see for generating more leads and sales online. Anthony's expertise and strategies will take your business to new heights. Register now for the YouTube Mastery Training and secure your seat. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Trust me, you won't regret it. Click the link below to register for the free training. It's time to achieve the success you've always dreamed of. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and keep hustling and chasing your dreams.